everyone, and welcome back to Gamer Bargains. Today we're going to be taking a look at the RTX 3070 on Ravencoin. I have a few announcements to make, I guess. One big main announcement is just going to be I'm considering moving the channel, or not really moving the channel, but I'm going to be switching my focus. So right now, I mostly concentrate on crypto. So I do like PC building, gaming, PC builds and stuff like that. I do PC games and then I do crypto. So I'm pretty much considering just gonna do one avenue because and stay more focused. I feel like that would help the channel grow. As some of these, I think people that are in PC gaming may not like some of the crypto stuff. So it's conflicting. And I think it's kind of hurt my channel right now a little bit. So I'd appreciate any feedback that you guys have. I haven't made a decision yet. I will make a decision next week. So the two things would be I would switch my focus to one, which I would switch my focus to crypto. Because I feel like the PC tech industry and stuff like that is, it's already really filled up. If you want budget stuff, you got OZ Talk Show and Nerd on a Budget. If you want the really big name stuff, you got Linus and Gamer Mel, Jay's 2 Cents, Paul's Hardware. I mean, there's tons of guys out there that do that stuff. So, and I can't get my hands on early access stuff, so I'm just kind of beating my head against the wall a little bit. I don't think I could compete with those guys. They've been in the industry too long. So, I think crypto is going to be my main focus from now on. And I appreciate you guys if you guys left any kind of feedback in the comments. So let me know how you felt about that. If you guys think that's a good move, or maybe what you guys think. So I also did pick up a 3070 Founders Edition card. I won't be doing a review on it because I'm already doing a review on a 3070 anyway. So the hash rates should be similar, so there shouldn't be a change, in the hash rates. So anyways, let's get into the video itself. So let's go over here. So here are my settings in my Google Doc sheet, which I will share down in the description down below. So this is what you get out of the box. You get 26 mega hash, 220 watts. This is out of the box. If you just put in a miner and put your mining pool, these are the settings that you're going to get. So not very efficient. We're only at 11%, and we're pulling a lot of wattage, so for not very much hash power. Now, I did add some core at first because, as you've seen in the 1660 Super video, when we added core without memory, it did pretty well. Well, in this case here, it did nothing, which I don't understand why. So what I did was I wanted to see what would happen when I added absolute core, which is a feature to lock the core and also reduce power, right? So when I added the absolute core, it stayed the same mega hash, but it dropped the power down to 132. So our efficiency went up by 8%, which is huge, right? So then I played with this a little bit longer, and I got it up to 3,000 memory, 1,100 core. And the thing is when you have the core locked, you don't have to set the power. I mean, it's not even necessary. This stayed right here at 152. So this is what I got, 31.72 mega hashes at 152 watts for 21.14%. I'm going to change that. I actually hit the keyboard while I'm doing everything here. Then I tried just using the core again, right? Adding core and memory. Maybe it needs a combination, right? And so I got it up here to 31.8, which is barely anything noticeably different, right? I also tried 150. And as you can see, I got it up to, as I went down pretty much our same undervolting settings as we used in Ethereum for 130 watts, right? Well, it dropped the mega hashes so hard, it's obviously starving for power. So I noticed that in most times it'll need about 20, 30 more watts, right, to get the same performance on the Kapow algorithm, because the Kapow algorithm is more intensive, so it does consume more power. So I added 30 more watts, and I got the mega hashes back. But after a 24-hour test, I had lots of invalid shares. I had to go up to 190 for it to be stable. So this was not a very good setting for me. I tried 150 core at the 160 and it wouldn't even move the mega hashes, which tells me it needs more power again. So I don't really want to go above the 160 mark because I want our efficiency to be pretty good. So even though the efficiency is high here, we're getting invalid shares. So it's going to be really messing with your profitability a lot, right? So this is the best. The one up here where I had absolute core with the 3000 memory right here, 31.72 mega hashes at 152 watts, gives me 21.14%. So, and that's kind of right on spot with Red Panda Mining. He did a video as well on the 3070, and he did a bunch of other algorithms besides these two coins. I'm only doing these two coins. If I decide to mine other coins, I will add other coins on here. But so this is the best I got out of here, and I think that's pretty good. As you notice that you'll get much less hash power on Ravencoin compared to Ethereum, just due to the fact that it's a more intensive algorithm on the GPUs. So don't like if you got a card that's doing like 50 mega hashes on Ethereum, it's probably going to do like 25 mega hashes on Kapow. So it's going to just be cut in half, as well as it's going to take more energy. So it's going to take probably about 20 more percent energy to keep the mega hashes up. So you'll be getting less mega hashes while also consuming more power. So just keep that in mind if you're going to move to Kapow. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. These are my settings. Maybe let me know what kind of settings you got on your 3070s, or even just let me know what you guys are mining with now. Let me know if you guys are mining Ravencoin, and if you are mining Ravencoin, what cards do you have that maybe have better efficiency? Because I'm trying to find the best efficiency card, and so far, out of all the research I've done online, you know what I mean? Which not everybody has videos or information on all their cards. From all the cards, the information I could gather, the 3070 is the most efficient card for mining Kapow. It gives you the highest efficiency and with a decent hash rate. So, as far as I can tell from my research on the internet, the 3070 is the best card for the Kapow. Now, if you want density, sure, you can go get some 3080s, and you guys can definitely hash a lot more. But you'll also be consuming a lot more energy with those 3080s, and you won't have the efficiency. It'll be in the low teens. So, something to keep in mind. Because I'm always going to try to, I want to get as much hash while also consuming the lowest amount of energy possible. So that's it, guys, for the video on the 3070. Once again, I'm considering just moving my focus to like crypto only, as well as if I did that change, I would also change the name of the channel. And I have a couple of names in mind I'd like to use. But I would like some feedback maybe on what you guys think if I move from just doing all three to just doing one singular, and that way I could be more focused, because I'm always finding that I'm doing the crypto and then I try to throw in a gaming video and a tech video, and it gets a little hard to keep up and try to do videos for all of them. So I think if I just stayed on one topic, I think it would be better suited for the channel, as well as it maybe help get more traffic into my channel, because I won't be so over here and over there. I'll be more focused. So let me know what you guys think about that. I appreciate any and all feedback. Anyways, guys, I'll see you next time.